Hey guys, what's up? So Raheem is there. He is about to ride out. See the bike? Yeah. Speed. We reach us speedily. So he's about to ride out to make a delivery now. And look how his helmet matching vest. Mad thing. Yeah man, so he's going out now to deliver to 2 customers. And it's fast ninja bike. Alright guys, so we're out and about, we're in your town, we're in your area, we are delivering to your doorsteps. So don't worry yourself. Your packages are on their way. Alright, Maya, ride off into the sunset. Alright, wait, are you here? Alright guys, here it goes. Packages are on their way.
Alright, you sure that is your name?
Positive.
Alright, Mr. Philip. Can I get a photo with you on the package? Alright, thank you, Mr. Green.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy your day.
Alright, cool.
The man I hope I ship me with the look. See that? Ship me express locker. That's where we are. The irony.